What's going on, everyone? If you have a Sony Bravia Smart TV and experiencing your TV is stuck on the Sony logo and you are unable to turn on your TV, then don't be panicked. Here in today's video, I'm going to show you two different possible ways to fix your Smart TV is stuck on this boot loop or the Sony logo. So let's begin. Well, so the first way to solve your problem is just simply go ahead and unplug your TV from the wall socket and find out the power button from your TV. And after that, you just go ahead and press and hold the power key about 30 seconds. And later on, just go ahead and release the button and then wait around 1 minute. And after that, you just plug in your TV once again and then just go ahead and check your issue. In most cases, this will fix your problem. But if if you see that you are still having the same problem, then follow the final and the last process. In the last process, we're going to do a force factor reset on the Sony Bravia Smart TV. To do that, you need to unplug your TV from the wall socket once again, and this time just go ahead and find out the power and the volume down button from your TV. And once you get that, you just press and hold the both button at the same time. And while you are holding these buttons, you need to plug in the power cord to the wall socket once again. And once you see the boot loop on your screen, you just go ahead and release the button. It's going to take a force factor reset on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. And hopefully this will resolve your problem. But if you see that you're still having the same problem, then it could be a hardware issue. Now to solve this problem, you need to take your TV to the service center. And that's all about this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.